everybody. Debra Dickinson here. Frugal RV gal there. Bendito, El Bendito. Sammy Joe, Samantha Josephine. We all have so many different names. But we today are headed to have a birthday luncheon with our good friend Cheryl, also known as Pup Camper 58. She has multiple names too. Think it's a little crowded today?
I think so.
Glad we didn't come in two vehicles.
Yeah.
And the Rome is joining us. We met her in the parking lot. Do y'all know where we are yet? Is it
I guess.
Well, yeah, you do. Wonder if my viewers do. They've been in enough watched enough courtside videos. They might know by now. Okay, welcome to Silly Owls. So Lori, is this your first time?
Yes,
At Silly Owls, right? Okay.
and I'm ready for the pizza.
Okay, I just wanted to clarify what it was your first time for.
Well, pizza. No, Silly Owls. Silly Owls. I've heard all about it, but it's my first time coming.
All right,
Here.
glad you're here. Here's the birthday girl. Happy birthday. Hello, Sally.
Howdy, howdy. On your way by Silly Owls. What is that, North Main Street? Yes, North Main. The bridge, when you go over the bridge, it bounces the vehicle.
Especially if you're
And I
following
get such
somebody
a
who's
kick
going
out of that. I
slow.
laugh.
And it's
So Donna,
Yes?
what do you say we split a pizza?
Why not?
Let's do that.
Let's do it.
How big a pizza do you think we should split?
A little one.
Yeah, a little one like that.
A little lot of pizza.
So, just so you know, guys, for comparison, this is Goliath. That's medium, and that's a mini. That's a whole salad. Yes.
Got blue cheese dressing.
Thank you, Mariah.
Birthday girl, you're gonna have to wait on your pizza.
Okay, that's all right.
Alrighty, everybody! I got a birthday girl in the house!
I have my mouth full of pizza.
And many more.
That was such fun to be with Cheryl and everyone, our friends, for her birthday. And again, happy birthday, Cheryl, Pup Camper 58. And now we are headed to meet someone. Her name is Bambi. I had people could, it's not called register, enter to win my book, my latest book, Keep On Keeping On, which is the first in the series. And Bambi is the one that won it. Oh yeah, there you go. There's the book. Thank you, Frugal. She's driving and managed to pull that off. And so we're not on the highway. We're out on the BLM road, so it was safe. But anyway, we're on our way to meet Bambi and give her the book because she is who won that, and I am so excited to see her again. Of course, she came by the QIA table. That's how she was able to enter to win. So we're on our way, Bambi. All right, so we made it, and I was actually on time.
Absolutely.
I was worried about that. And I got to see Bambi again, and she is the winner of my book, Keep On Keeping On. Congratulations.
Thank you so much. I'm so excited to read it and share it with my friends.
Yay. Thank you.
Mwah.